Given the measures, measure of angle A equals 43 degrees, A equals 12.4, B equals 14.3, can a triangle be formed? If so, how many triangles? Let's draw a sketch. The measure of angle A is 43 degrees, so maybe something like that. Side B is going to be 14.3. Side A is going to be 12.4. So we don't know if there's going to be a triangle formed here or not. So what we need to do, so this A equals 12.4. Okay, now this may or may not form a triangle. If this A was longer than B, we know for sure it would form one triangle because it would extend all the way down. But we don't know yet because we don't know the height of this triangle. So that's what we need to find. Okay, now the height of the triangle can be found using the sine ratio, and it's going to be the sine of 43 degrees equals the side opposite 43 degrees, which is h, to the hypotenuse, which is 14.3. Okay, and then we'll cross multiply. 1 times h is h, and that equals 14.3 times the sine of 43 degrees. So we'll do that on the calculator, and then we can decide how many triangles. So 14.3 times the sine of 43 degrees, 9.7525, and so on, so we'll just call it 9.8. Okay, so let's take a look. This A, the 12.4, is longer than the height, which is 9.8. Okay, I'm going to draw this sketch again and make it a little larger. Okay, so the h was 9.8, and the say is 12.4. So that means maybe it'll come down like this. Okay, so here's what we have so far. We have this one triangle for sure. And it's a side-side angle situation. So this would be point B out here. We don't know how long this AB is. That's not a given side. We know 14.3, 12.4, and we know the angle of 43 degrees. So it would be possible for point B to be here, or maybe right there. That would be a 12.4 as well. There's your point C. It would be kind of a pivot around point C, or a rotation. Okay, so this 12.4 could be either over here on the right, or it could be here on the left, based on the given information. And that's why we say you could have two triangles.